Do you ever feel worried or nervous? Well, when I feel worried, I hum. That is right. Humming a song for 10 seconds or more can calm your mind and body. You can hum Happy Birthday, the Transylvania Two-Step, Twinkle Twinkle, or my favorite, One Potato. Come on, hum along with me. I feel calmer. This is one. One count, one count.
Oh, that's nice.
How do you feel, little potato?
Well, I actually feel great. Yeah, that song really speaks to me.
Then let us hum it again.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you.